That's what they did at the beginning. They came telling us what they were going to do. They never asked us at any stage for permission.
The more you see wrong being done, the more angrier you get.
We wouldn't be doing this if we thought it was just a noble cause and a heroic failure.
It's pretty much forcing everybody's hand.
I have a right to be here. This is where I've been all my life.
If we don't act now, we'll regret it forever.
I have an awful lot at stake here. Look, there's no sense to this, and you know that. It'll never be the same, like, it'll never. It has a mark left in the community that'll never be healed. I'm going nowhere.
The negotiation is over. The rule of law has to be implemented.
You could only see danger.
This is Shell's law.
Blood cops, blood money.
Here they try to make criminals out of us ordinary people.
They won't clear us solid.
Leave what area? This is my area.
It's the sadness that gets to you.
My guards are going to be bullied.
It'll be our last chance to show that we are reasonable people.
Do you think that I'd let a Shell worker onto my property?
You feel you're being watched every move you make.
Never. Never.
Silt, oil, dirt.
Fucking sells me out!
Stay clear for your own safety and the safety of the other vessels.
This could go on forever.